How to use YouTube TV on Smart TV. In this video, I'll show you how to use YouTube TV on Smart TV. So first, go ahead and check the compatibility. Make sure your Smart TV is compatible with YouTube TV. Most modern TVs from Samsung, LG, Sony, Vizio, Hisense, and TCL support it. After that, download the YouTube TV app. Go to your TV's app store, such as Google Play Store, Samsung Smart Hub, and then search for YouTube TV. Select the app and click install. And then after that, sign into your account. Open the YouTube TV application. So you'll see a code on your TV screen. On your phone or computer, go to tv.youtube.com/start and then enter the code and sign in with your Google account. And then you can go ahead and start watching. So once signed in, you can browse live channels, on-demand content, and your DVR library. Use your TV remote to navigate or cast from your phone using the YouTube TV mobile app. And that is how you can basically use YouTube TV on Smart TV.